Okay, so today also, in this video, in this session, we are going to discuss about the Google Docs, some basics things. Okay, so here you can enter the document name. So, for example, I am going to enter the document name. You just click here, UCJ Google Google Docs. Likewise, then thereafter in this place, particular place, you can type. So whatever you want. So whatever you want to, you are going to uh, have it in your document. The things you can type it here. For example, I am typing here University College of Jaffna. So if you want to make it center, just click center. Okay. So then here you can increase the size. Okay, so then you can make it bold. So bold means it increasing the uh, text boldness. So then just enter University of Educational Technology. So italic, some underline. So I am going to change the color. So here I can change the color. So then thereafter just entering, changing the color. Just I am typing BST, MNT, CTT, CBC, FMT, FT, FTT, HPM, okay, PDT. Then removing this boldness, italicness. Then what I am going to do, I am going to align this is as a left element. So here I made the element left align. So then I am going to number it. So 8 courses I have numbered here. Okay. So then thereafter, just coming down here, just okay. So then thereafter here insert. So before this we have discussed something about inserting images, those things. So here we can see here, just click on the insert. Just wait a minute, it's not loading. Okay, inside, then table. So here I am going to insert a table. So here 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So then likewise I am inserting a table. So once I click here, you can see here the table was inserted. So here what I am going to type, just I am going to type BST, MNT, CTT, CBC, FMT, FDT, H P M P D T likewise. Okay. So then thereafter the second line just I am typing like this: A B C E F G H. Then here just 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then I am going to apply some. Okay. So here, if you want, you can make this title bold. You can apply some color, different colors. Okay. Here also, for this also, if you want to apply some bold italic, maybe you can increase the size of this font. Okay. So then thereafter, here, like this way, you can increase the column width. Then row heights, you can increase it. Okay. So you can make the changes. So related to table, so we will do some more activities. So during that time we will discuss about that. Okay. So then thereafter we'll see insert. So normally date and time you can insert here like this way. Then insert equations. Okay. So normally equation mean here you can see here. So like this way you can include the equations. You can see here. A, sorry, Q, E, three, fourth. Okay. So like this way you can include the mathematical equations. Okay. So then here we'll see under the insert watermarks are there. So if you want to add the watermarks, you can add the watermarks. Page number you can include. So here bottom of the page the number will be displayed. Okay. So here these things are available in the home screen also. The bold, italic and underline, strike through, superscript, subscript. So we didn't discuss about the superscript, subscript. Now we can discuss that superscript, subscript also. So here text. superscript. Okay, so normally 10 square. So these two I am selecting. Format text superscript. 102. These two I am selecting. 10 square. O2. Format tools subscript. O2 10 square. So like this way. So you can include the superscript subscripts on your texts. Okay. So here headers footers. So header footer also you can include here. So just click header footer. So the margins are top margin how many inch and bottom margin. So once you set 0.5 is default. So if you want you can use this 0.5. Just apply. So now you can see the header and footers are ready. So you can apply here whatever the things if you want to include in your header and footer footnotes you can include here. So the normally inserting image we have discussed already the last practical session. So chart and the things we will discuss later. Okay.